a 3/4 inch U-notched trowel supplied, a measuring tape, caulking gun, level, skill saw, and handsaw or miter saws. Installing the KBRS HardCurb is a simple process. The KBRS HardCurb has a self-sealing polymer anchoring cap that seals around screws used to anchor shower enclosure hardware. When installing the HardCurb, be sure that the anchoring cap remains face up. It is important to note that upon the completion of your tile shower, that holes are not pre-drilled into the anchoring cap. This will eliminate the watertight seal around the screw. You can either measure your distance from wall to wall or mark the curb by placing it in its final position. These options will depend on your specific curb layout. Cut the HardCurb using either a handsaw or miter saw. Spread modified thin set using a trowel in the area you will be installing the KBRS HardCurb. Next, apply a generous bead of shower seal polyurethane sealant to the vertical edge of the shower slope to which the curb will butt up to. When joining curbs, you must apply sealant to one of the ends where the curbs will butt up to one another. Place the curb on top of the thin set and firmly press the curb against the edge of the shower slope, allowing sealant to squeeze out. Firmly push down on the curb, embedding it into the thin set. Using a level, be sure that the curb is level along its length, yet be sure the top of the curb is sloped towards the shower area. Using your finger or a putty knife, tool additional sealant into any joints where the curbs join. Remove any excess thin set from the HardCurb or subfloor.